myself. Hello, my name is Sanna. I am a girl. My birthday is on 1st April. I am 7 years old. I live in Pakistan. I study in 2nd standard. My school name is Excellent School. Math is my favorite subject. My favorite food is sandwich. My hobbies are dancing and reading. I love to watch cartoon. My favorite color is red. I want to become a doctor when I grown up. My father name is Mr. Ali. He is an engineer. My mother name is Sabha. She is a teacher. I have 2 brothers. My brother name are Ruhan and Zuhan.